Hello everyone. I am Dr. R.C. Biloria. I work as consultant microbiologist and chief infection control officer for Lotus Group of Hospitals. In the first wave of COVID-19, we had seen that the kids were not affected, but as we are in the middle of the second wave, we are seeing there are daily increase of number of cases in kids. There is a particular reason about this. So let me explain that first. Last year, the coronavirus, which was affecting the majority of the population, it has a spike protein on its surface. The spike protein on the surface of the coronavirus gets attached to a particular receptor on the human body cell, which is called as ACA receptor. So these kind of receptors are found in very less number in the kids. So since the receptors are less, so the doorways for the entry of the coronavirus also is less into the body of a child. But as the mutation has started occurring in the coronavirus in India, and now in India we are seeing double mutant viruses and many other mutations seen in the SARS-CoV-2. So these binding proteins are changing, the spike protein is also changing, and coronavirus is finding different ways of entering into the human body cell. Because of this change and this mutation, the number of cases of kids coronavirus are increasing in India. Yes, this is one more problem with the kids, that they can become super spreaders, because it is seen that the symptoms in the kids will be ranging from the mild to moderate. So since we are not able to detect the symptoms in the COVID-19 disease for the kids, that is the reason they may stay asymptomatic, and while staying asymptomatic at the home, they can spread the disease from them to the grandparents and parents as well. So before we detect the symptoms, they can spread the disease to many family members in the family. As we know that there is no vaccine for the kid, but we do have vaccine for the adult. So I would strongly suggest that all the family members get vaccinated. So today we are going to discuss about the 5 precautions which we can take to keep our kids safe. Number 1 precaution is the early detection of the disease in your kids. Parents have to get alarmed about the symptoms which their kids show, which can lead them that they may be having a COVID-19 disease. So symptoms which will be easy to detect is the rise in fever or early onset of cough can be there, or the kid will become lazy, lethargic, he will not eat properly or drink properly or stop playing. So these signs should alarm the parent that he may be having a COVID-19 disease. Apart from that, kid can also show gastrointestinal symptoms like the nausea, vomiting and diarrhea, and he may even get a rash all over the body. So all these symptoms should alarm the parent, and immediately he should go and show the kid to the doctor. And the second precaution we can take is the early diagnosing of the disease. So if the parent is seeing the kid is showing fever for 2 days, he should immediately go and get the kid tested for COVID-19. These are very simple tests, they are not harmful to the baby or the kid, very easily done. Simple swab will be thrown into the baby's nose or through the via the mouth, and report will be given within 24 hours. The third tip for the prevention of our kids is that we should give flu shot to our kids. As we know, annual flu shot which we are giving to our kids, these sicknesses, flu-like sicknesses, gives almost similar resemblance to the COVID-19 disease. So we have to differentiate between the influenza-like sicknesses and the COVID-19 sicknesses. So if we get our kids vaccinated with the flu shot, so we will be having less confusion whether our baby is having a flu-like sickness or the COVID illness. Number 4, please be role model for your kid, because they imitate what parents will be doing. Don't think that the kids are just not noticing. So once the parents started following the COVID appropriate behavior, like the wearing of the mask, sanitizing of the hands and following the social distancing, and they also automatically start following these COVID appropriate behavior. So these things once you start doing in your life, and you please encourage your kids that you should be following these, because now they have become more important, because kids are getting the new target of the COVID-19 disease.
Lotus Hospitals is one of the leading brands for all your health needs. You can visit our expert doctors at any of the centers, Lakrikapul, Kukatpalli, LB Nagar and Vizag. For booking an appointment, you can use our app or visit www.lotushospitals.in or call on 040 4040 4444.